Travis Perkins delayed their results. And at the moment, there's no clear indication as to whether or not or when they're going to publish them. I checked the website just before we came on, and they've got the date for their Q1 update, but they still haven't got the date for the full year results of 2024. So I guess we're just going to have to wait and see, but the market was very unforgiving on the back of that and basically sent the shares to sharply lower.
Which
Wix on,
is
go on.
sorry, just to say, which is not particularly surprising because whatever the reason is behind them delaying the results, it's never a particularly good sign when a company does that, no matter what industry they may be in, and it leads, particularly when the only word you get is results delayed, we will release them ASAP. It naturally leads market participants to price in the worst possible case scenario. It's not a case of everyone's just going to go, oh, okay, that's fine. We'll look at those whenever you want to push the button and send them out. All of a sudden you've got a huge chunk of downside risk and unknown priced into the stock.
Especially on the day in question. At
Mm.
the end of the day, you must have known 2 or 3
Yeah, you
days
don't just
before.
wake up that morning and go, I actually don't
You
fancy
know,
it anymore.
yeah, you must have known 3 or 4 days before that you were going to have to delay the results. Get out in front of it.
Yeah,
Get out in
yeah,
front of it.
exactly.
You'll still have a share price reaction, but waiting until the day that they're due to be released. So, well, actually, they're not ready. Um, release them a day late, release them a week late, but don't just say,
Yeah,
"Oh, they're delayed on the day in question," because the fact that
and
you
not
haven't
give a date.
not give a date exactly.